When using the TruWide sensor in your application, there's no need for an operator to go move the sensor when web widths change. But there's also no need for the operator to have to physically visit the WebGuide controller when the TruWide is connected via the Ethernet connection. The reason is that every TruWide sensor is capable of acting as its own server, allowing the interface to the sensor to be controlled through any computer internet connection. Let's take a look at how to connect, initialize, and modify the parameters of a TruWide sensor via an internet connection. First, install the sensor by connecting the SE45 analog connector and then the Ethernet connector. Note, it's important to thread each connector all the way until it's tight, or your sensor may not operate properly. The Ethernet connector has more thread and will take longer to connect than the SE45 connector. On your PC, select Start. Then press Control Panels. Then press Network Connections. Then select the local area connection for your sensor. Then select Properties. Scroll down to TCP/IP. Select the Use the following IP address option and enter 10.0.0.10. Then select OK. Then OK again. Now close all of the windows and launch your web browser. Go to the address line of your browser and enter the IP address of the sensor. A web page will appear that allows you to view and change information about the sensor. For example, by entering the Analog Out menu, you can change the polarity and the sensitivity of the transducers within your sensor. Please note the following items when using the TruWide sensor as a standalone Internet-accessible web control device. There's no need for your operator to visit a separate WebGuide controller when web conditions change. The TruWide sensor is easy to configure and update. The TruWide sensor can be used in a wide variety of web control environments and scenarios. The 16-bit resolution of the TruWide sensor means that an edge can be sensed with an accuracy of 1/10,000th of an inch. Since the sensor is made up of many individual transducers, factory repair is affordable and plausible. If one transducer fails, it can be individually replaced. For more information about the family of TruWide sensors or for assistance with your web guiding process, contact Fife at 1-800-639-3433.